David Morris Robinson, born August 6, 1965, is an American former professional basketball player. Nicknamed the Admiral for his service in the U.S. Navy, he spent his entire 14-year career with National Basketball Association NBA franchise San Antonio Spurs and is now a minority owner of the team. He is widely considered one of the greatest centers in both college basketball and NBA history. Robinson played basketball for the United States Naval Academy and was selected by the Spurs as the first overall pick of the 1987 NBA draft. But because he had to fulfill his active duty obligation with the Navy, he would not play his first game until 1989. Among other accolades, he was a 10-time NBA All-Star, the 1995 NBA MVP, a 2-time NBA champion, 1999 and 2003, a 2-time Olympic gold medal winner, 1992, 1996, and a 2-time Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame inductee, 2009 for his individual career. 2010 as a member of the gold medal winning Dream Team at the 1992 Barcelona Olympics. Robinson was honored as one of the league's all-time players by being named to the NBA 50th Anniversary 1996 and 75th Anniversary Teams 2021. Robinson was born in Key West, Florida, the second child of Ambrose and Frida Robinson. Since Robinson's father was in the U.S. Navy, the family moved frequently. After his father retired from the Navy, the family settled in Woodbridge, Virginia, where Robinson excelled in school and in most sports except basketball. Robinson attended Osborne Park High School in Manassas, Virginia, just outside Washington, D.C., where Robinson's father was working as an engineer. Robinson was of average height for most of his childhood and teenage years, standing 5 feet 9 in tall in his junior year of high school. However, during his senior year in high school, he experienced a large growth spurt and grew to 6 feet 6 in. He had not played organized basketball or attended any basketball camps, but the school's basketball coach added him to the team. Robinson earned all-area and all-district honors, but generated little interest among college basketball coaches. Robinson graduated from Osborne Park in 1983. He achieved a score of 1320 on the SAT and subsequently attended the United States Naval Academy, where he would major in mathematics and play on the basketball team. At the time, the Naval Academy had a height restriction of 6 feet 6 in for all midshipmen, but in the autumn when the new academic year began, Robinson had grown to 6 feet 7 in. Assuming that he was unlikely to grow much more, the Academy's superintendent granted him a waiver, but Robinson continued growing. And by the start of his second year at the Academy, he had nearly reached his adult height of 7 feet 1 in, which later prevented him from serving on any U.S. Navy ships. In 2011, Robinson earned a Master of Arts in Administration with concentration in organizational development from the University of the Incarnate Word to better understand how businesses work and how to build them. Personal life: Robinson married Valerie Hoggett in 1991. They have 3 sons: David Jr., Corey, and Justin. Corey attended Notre Dame and was a wide receiver on the football team before ending his playing career in 2016 on medical advice due to multiple concussions prior to what would have been his senior season. He was student body president for the 2016-17 school year. Justin, a 6 feet 8 in forward in basketball and a 2-time All-State selection in Texas, began attending Duke University in August 2015. He was initially recruited to the Duke team as a preferred walk-on with the opportunity to eventually earn a scholarship, but he was placed on scholarship before his arrival at Duke. On September 18, 2020, Mornar Bar of Erste Liga in Montenegro announced that they had signed Justin, signaling the start to his professional basketball career. By 2026, Justin was reported to be a Lakers player development coach. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.